Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to fix if your Wi-Fi is not connecting, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your settings app. In settings, simply go for connections, and here you'll get the Wi-Fi settings. You must have to tap on it, and here you will get if you are connected to the Wi-Fi. But first thing is that you have to make sure that you have entered the correct password. If you have entered the correct password of your Wi-Fi will connect, or there is no any saved password or password is unsaved, so you will not get any issue that like. So if you are still having the same issue, you must have to enable the flight mode or airplane mode in your phone. Just simply enable that toggle, and here you can see there is applied mode has been enabled, so it will make a quick refresh into your mobile network, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. So briefly wait for 5 and 10 seconds, then disable that, then go back, and here go ahead to Wi-Fi, and here you will get that your Wi-Fi is being connected. Or if you're not, you must have to go for your settings, and here just forget the network. Once you have forgot it, you must have to turn off Wi-Fi, then turn it on again, and look for the network with which you want to connect. And here simply enter the password of the network, then tap on connect. Here you can see that the Wi-Fi has been successfully connected, but if you are still having the same issue, you must have to make a reset into your network settings. So go for general management or system management in your phone, and then go ahead to reset option, and here select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or reset network settings in your phone. In my phone there is a reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Just tap on it, then tap on reset settings, and you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings has been reset. It once you have, just scroll down your quick settings and open your Wi-Fi settings again, and here select the network, enter the password, then tap on connect. You have to make sure that you have entered the correct password, then tap on connect option. Once you have that, your all problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, you must have to restart your phone. So, or it may be that there is any problem into your hotspot, so or Wi-Fi device. So you must have to check that. So in this way, you can easily fix Wi-Fi not connecting in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.